Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. Do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. In today's video, I'm going to share a new design that I'm working on this sari. I'm using the self color. So the pallu is green and I'm also using green. I'll start by fixing the knot here in the corner. And for this particular design, I am using just 5 strands of silk thread along with crochet hook number 12. The reason I'm using 12 is because I'm using these 0 size metal beads here. Now since the beads are very tiny, the hook number 10 doesn't pass through this. That is the reason I have reduced the number of silk thread strands and I'm using a slightly smaller hook. So after I fix the knot, I'll work 5 chains and fix it with a single crochet. After which I'll chain 3 and then I'll start working my double crochets here in this 5 chain block. So I'm going to work a total of 6 double crochets and after each double crochet I'm going to add a bead. So all the stitches I'm working are in the same place. So this is my third double crochet. I'm not working any chain or anything after the bead. I'm directly doing my double crochet. So I've added 4 beads. This is going to be the last one. So here I'm done with my 6 double crochets and this is how it should look. It's basically a slanting arch. Now I'm going to fix it using a single crochet wherever it is reaching. And again continue with 5 chains and a single crochet. So after 5 chains, again I'm going to repeat the exact same thing, 3 chains and 6 double crochets in this loop. So after every double crochet I will be adding a bead. So in this first color I have finished working 10 slant arches and I'm going to trim this color here. I'm going to leave a little bit of thread and I'm going to trim off. I'm going to knot and keep it because we are going to need this color later again. And whatever is there on the hook, I'm going to pull it out like this. And this is where I will be adding my next color, which is this blue. So the next 10 slant arches we will be working using this color. So that's how the design will continue. 10 arches in one color. So we'll hide this knot later once the complete pallu is done. So I'll start from this single crochet itself. And the second color also I've just taken 5 strands because I'm using the same needle. So I'll work chains from here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after 5 chains, I'll work a single crochet. And then 3 chains and start working double crochets. So after every double crochet, I will be adding a bead. So it's the exact same process, but after every 10 slant arches, I will be changing the color. So changing the color is optional. So again it will be 5 beads and 6 double crochets. So I'm going to fix it using a single crochet, and with that our first slant arch is complete. So next the remaining 9 slant arches I'm going to do it in the exact same way. Once I'm done with 10 in this color, I will trim and attach my first color and continue. So that's how it will continue. After finishing the crochet part, I have added tassels. For tassels I have used 100 strands only because there is very little gap next to this slant arch. So even when I'm tying tassels, I've used it in a contrast way. So for the blue arch I have used green tassels, and for the green arch I've used blue tassels. So if you want, you can do this design in just single color, or if you want, you can do in 2 colors like I have worked. So this is the final look. I somehow feel this concept looks much better than in doing the complete sari in single color. So do give it a try, and by now you guys should know what you should be doing once you try. Share it in our Facebook group called the Crochet Club by Knotty Threads, and also let me know what you think about this design in the comment section. In case you guys have not subscribed to my vlog channel Kanika Reddy Vlogs, do subscribe now and check out my blog knottythreads.net. So I guess that's all in today's video. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up, and I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care.